What is something that happened to you, but if you shared it, nobody would believe you?
It's been so many years and I still remember the crying lady. That was more than 20 years ago when I was in high school, and I heard a woman crying over my head at I don't know, maybe in the clouds. Pero ang storyana was I started to hear that woman crying Sunday in the afternoon. Wala na siya og baka nga gaunga. Pero layo-layo pa ang voice. So wala na ko siya gi-mind. But the next day, I was walking going to school. Kaya wala pa may I started hearing the woman again crying. Wala ko sa iyang voice quality. Mura siya og na ay speakers with echo, and the sounds like this. I was very hesitant to acknowledge the presence. Because at that time, I know pag imo siyang i-entertain, something might happen. So, as I was walking, na ako nagian nga silingan na mo ang balay, and naa siya sa kadakmangga. And for sure, dito ang sentro sa hilak sa babae. Siguro, may regret lang ato nga time was wala ako mitry og look up. Wala ako mitry og panguntaan na kinsa siya. But I heard her crying so very very loud. Paglagpas na ko sa balay, nagkahinay po ang ang tingog, and napo ko'y isa ka person nga schoolmate nga nasa kasabay, and I asked her nakadungog ba siya atong gahilak nga babae, and wala, ako lang. After that, parang mga 2 years after, nakadungog na po ko sa mong balay na, and it was night time, and same, mura siya floating voice nga gahilak nga babae, and I asked my mama kung nakadungog ba siya ato, and nakadungog siya. But siguro para dili ta mahadlok, she said na video okay lang siguro o karaoke lang siguro to. And up to now, kasi kung if you're familiar with Himala or yung mga tao nga na ay nakita nga mga aparasyon, baka I don't know, baka nga to ang scenario na ako if I entertain that woman's crying. I swear, it happened.